Hello, Venture Unknown. How y'all doing? This is Sean. Just getting back from our Sweep Up the Southeast event. I thought I would come in here and share a little bit of footage and some pictures of our trip that was turned out to be a really big success. About a month ago, we had a member of ours, Mr. Larry Stewart, come up with this really great idea of putting together a bunch of teams to go and clean up the forest that's around us. And so that's what we did. We got together and organized a total of, it originally was 7 teams, and then we had Florida jump in for 8 teams, and then Mr. Dan Pauls jumped in. He wasn't able to join a team, so he joined in from Mississippi and had a single-man team. Did a really good job. So we are doing this thing. You see right now Earls Ford team heading to Earls Ford. We are out to return Earls Ford to its pristine condition. You see us all crossing the War Woman Creek here, or War Woman River. There's Nate and Megan Roberts. We had camped the night before and all met up on a Friday and had our drivers meeting at 10 a.m. on Saturday and made our way to Earls Ford. Here comes Jacob. Look at that, got the trash trailer and everything running behind him. I tell you what, he acted like that trailer wasn't even behind him on some of these things. Anybody that hasn't been to Earls Ford before, and you'll see this here in a bit, when we come out of this crossing, you'll notice there's 2 big giant step-ups to get up. And no one had any trouble really. There was a couple people that had to get back and bump it up a little, but man, we really had a good time. There was teams all over the Southeast, all the way, every state. Florida, we had Jihad down there at Citrus WMA helping out the Florida Trail Stompers. We had the Earls Ford team, who you see right here. There was about 13 rigs with me, families and children of all sizes, all ages. We had some Talladega National Forest in Alabama. We had Prentice Cooper in Tennessee, who was Dylan, Mitchell and Blake McCormick. Talladega was Larry Stewart and Mike Morado led that team. We had Draven Ray and Jeff Horn up in Graffiti Rock. And then we had David Price down in Hurricane Creek cleaning it up down in North Carolina. And then today we had our Sunday crew, old Sandy Ford team, led up by Mr. Andy Newen. They're probably still out there cleaning as we speak, or as this video is being put together. I'm very proud of the Venture Unknown group. They come together big time. There were over 100 people that joined us for this. We hauled out countless bags, tires. Here you see Earls Ford clearing a tree out. There's Trey Mountain had to rent a trailer to go get all the tires they found. Look at that. That's Trey Mountain team. That's Chris and Jeremy Lester. Some of these people we have never even met. That's Earls Ford team. Look at all that trash, guys. An amazing weekend of Venture Unknown goodness. And again, I can't say just how proud I am to be part of this group. I appreciate y'all joining in.
Trash bin, trashy, that's white trash. Look at all that trash.
All right, guys, thank y'all for listening to me.